How to remove music from TikTok videos. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can remove music from TikTok video. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the TikTok application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, now head towards your draft. For that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on your draft and from there select the video from where you want to remove the music. For example, I have this video right here. Tap on the edit option at the top right corner. Again, tap on the edit option from here menu bar on your left hand or right hand side. So once you get to your edit piece, here on your timeline there you can see the music. Tap on the music and at the bottom right corner there is an option for a delete. Tap on delete. Now if you want to mute your audio from the video, there you have an option to mute. You can mute that if there is an audio in your video. If not, you can simply tap on next and then save this video as a draft again. So that is the way to remove music from TikTok videos, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.